Okay, let's try this fourth example. So we're given here 4x squared minus 28x plus 49. So again, rewrite the given. So the first term can be written as 4 can be written as 2 squared. Just copy x squared. Then minus, copy the middle term, 28x. Then plus 49 can be written as 7 squared. Because 7 squared is the same as 7 times 7, which is equal to 49. Okay, then rewriting the first term, we can rewrite this as 2 times x raised to a power, the common power, which is equal to 2, then minus 28x, then plus 7 squared. So find what is our a. A is 2x, then our b is equal to 7. Okay, then after that, let's check if our twice EB is the same as the middle term. So 2 times our A is 2x, then our B is 7. So 2 times 2, 4 times x, 4x times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. Then we have x. Okay, by the way, so this is, since this is negative, okay, so we have here 7. 49 can also be expressed as negative 7 times 7, okay. This can be negative, so we can express this as negative 7 squared. So negative 7 squared, this is negative 7 squared, because negative 7 squared, so if you have negative 7 times negative 7, that is still equal to positive 49. Okay, so therefore our 7 here is negative. So therefore our result is negative 28x, which is the same as the middle term of the given, or this one. Okay, so this, therefore we can say that this is a perfect square trinomial. So therefore the factors are, we have to follow this. Since the middle term is negative, so we have to follow this. Okay, so the factors are a minus b. So our a is 2x minus b, our b is 7. Okay, then times 2x minus 7, or equal to 2x minus 7 squared. Okay, so these are the factors. This could be your answer, or you may use this as your answer. That's it. If you have any question, just leave your question or comments in the comment section below. Thank you.